guys, I'm going to show you how to shop at Danube online. So first, we have to download the Danube app. Once it's downloaded, we enter it. So now we have to create an account. Since I'm already a customer, I just have to log in.
People acting. People acting. People acting. People acting.
Since I'm already done shopping, let's proceed to check out. And then, check the time slot that is convenient for you. In case your chosen products are out of stock, you can choose to replace the product or cancel the product. I choose to cancel the product. And then we will make the payment. And now, enter the CVV or CVC code located at the back of your card. Your bank password via SMS of the amount of orders that you've purchased from Danube. Let's translate it to English. Now let's enter the OTP. Submit. And now you're done. Thank you for watching this basic tutorial. Check your email regarding feedbacks of your shopping availability. Before the delivery of the product, Danube will call you shortly. Thanks for watching!